Welcome to Home of Math, Class 6, Exercise 1.6, Part 4. We are starting this video. Our question 23, where mentioned Abdur Rahman gave 0.125 part of his property to his wife. He gave 0.5 part of the rest of the property to his son and 0.25 part to his daughter. After that, he noticed he was still left with property worth taka 3,15,000. What is the total value of Abdur Rahman's property? So here is some confusing matter. Like this one is very simple, 0.125 part he gave to his wife. So let's think, this is Abdur Rahman property. From here he gave this portion to wife, and from this, not full, just from this 0.5 part, it means this one to give son, and then this option daughter, and this one till left. Okay, and which price already mentioned 3,15,000. So we have to find out total value of Mr. Abdur Rahman's property. So one by one we try to solve. Answer: let his total property equals to 1. Then give to wife 1 of 0.125. Okay, so this one we can write 1 of this 0.25, 1.125 we can write, this is a fraction, we can write like 125, and against this decimal we use a 1, and 125 against this 3 digit we are using 30. Okay, so here the answer will be 1 by what? 8. Okay, so we can divide numerator and denominator by 125, so we get 1 by 8. Okay, now look, here mentioned 0.5 and 0.25 to give his son and daughter, but this is not from whole portion, this one from after this one. It means we can write balance property, which is 1 is a full or total length minus already gave 1 by 8 part. So after this one we will get balance property. So here is 8, so 8 minus 1 part equals to 7 by 8 part. Look, from this one he gave to son and to daughter. Okay, now we can write gave to son 7/8 of what? 0.50. We can write 0.50. So this one is 7/8 of, we can write 5/100 or 50/100. Okay, so this one 1 and here is 2. We can divide by 50. So answer is 7/16, which is get son to daughter. How much? 7/8 of daughter get 0.25. So 0.25. So here is 7/8 of, this is 25, divide 100. Okay, we can divide by 25. So here is 1 and here is 4. So 7 by what? 8 times 4 is a 32. 7/32 is his balance or left asset. So as per question, balance asset, which is 7/32, price 3,15,000, right? Taka. So one part, it means whole part price 3,15,000 times this 32 will become numerator and 7 will be denominator. So once we make calculation, our answer will be 14,40,000 taka. Okay, I hope you clear this one. It's a very important math, so don't neglect this one and first try to understand the question.